Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of exercise 1.3. In my previous video I have completed till question number 8. So let us continue question number 9. Okay, let me read the question number 9. I'll show you the question number 9. You can focus on question number 9. If the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Okay, let us do what they have asked the question. If the sum of first 7 term of an AP, sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49 and that of first 17 term is 289. Find the sum of nth term. What we have to find? Sn we have to find. Okay, let us start solving now. We know that Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2a plus n minus 1d. In place of n, I'll go on writing 7. Yes, n formula we know. I'll write yes 7 formula. 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1d is equal to, as it is, that is equals to 49. Okay. Now, we can bring this 2. It is in 2 will go that side and it will multiply 7 as it is 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d is equals to 49 into 2. This 7 is in multiply position. If it go this side, it will get divide. So what remains? 2a plus 6d is equals to 49 into 2 as it is. This 7 multiply is there. If I bring here, it becomes divide. Now we can say that 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. 2a plus 6d is equals to 7 twos are 14. We can see this whole equation is divide by 2. Divisible by 2. We can divide by 2. Let us divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is a. Only a left. 2 threes are 6. 3d. 2 sevens are 14. 7. Let us consider this as equation 1. Similarly, we have to do for S17 is equals to 289. Okay. Yes, 17 is nothing but 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1d is equal to what we have? 289 we have. Okay, same process we have to do. This 2 will go there and it get multiplied. 17 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d. 289 into this 2 got multiply and this 17 it will go that side and it gets divide. 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 by 17. We know that 17 ones are 17, 17 17s are 289. What we get? 2a plus 16d is equals to 17 2s are 34. This also whole equation is divisible by 2. We can divide the whole equation by 2. A divided by 2 is only a plus 2 8s are 16 is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. This let us consider equation 2. Now, solving equation 1 and 2, we get what we get. In previous questions we have solved so many problems based on this method. Now is equals to 7. A plus 8d is equals to 17. What we have to do? We have to change the sign of second equation. Minus plus, it's here minus, again plus, so minus. A get cancel. 1 plus 1 minus is nothing but we have to do minus. 8 minus 3 is 5. Greater sign is minus, so minus sign. 1 minus 1 plus, again doing minus. 17 minus 7, 10. Greater sign is minus. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. What we got? We got D is equals to 2. We got D is equals to 2. What we have to do now? D. Put or substitute D is equals to 2 in any equation. We will take equation 1 because it is simple compared to equation 2. Put D is equals to 2 in equation 1. Let us take equation 1. A plus 3D is equals to 7. A what? We don't know the value of A. Let us keep as it is, 3 as it is, but D is equals to 2. In place of D, I'll write 2 is equals to 7. A plus 3 2s are 6 is equals to 7. A is equals to 7 minus 6. A is equals to 1. We got A also. We got D2 and A is equals to 1. Now what they have told us to find? They have told us to find Sn. Let us find Sn now. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula we know. Sn they told. They didn't mention any number. So n place will be as it is 2a. A value we have got 1. In place of a I'll write 1 plus n we don't know as it is. D they have given 2. Okay. N by 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 ones are 2. I have multiplied this 2 with this bracket. So now n by 2 as it is. 2 get cancelled. What is remain? 2n is remain. 2 again get cancelled. So Sn value is n into n square. This value we got for nth term of sum of nth term of NEP. So this we got the answer for 9th one question. Now let us go for 10th one question. Okay, question number 10. Let me read out the question. Question 10th. What is the question 10th? Show that A1, A2, A3 dots till AN form an AP where AN is defined as two questions they have in this problem. They have given two questions. I'll do one question and you have to try yourself one question. Okay, let me do first question same like you have to do second question. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. What the question they have asked? They are asking us first show that it is an AP. What they have told? Show that it is an AP and also find first 15 terms of an AP. Sum of first 15. Okay. AP we have to find. A1. A1 in place of n I am substituted 1. 3 plus 4 into 1. What we got? 3 plus 4 ones are 4. 3 plus 4, 7. A1 we got 7. Okay. Now let us go for A2. A2 is 3 plus as it is 4. N plus 12, right? Is equals to 3 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, second term we got. Similarly, A3. 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Like that we got. Therefore, let us write in sequence form 7, 11, 15 dots. We should check it forms an AP or not. How we can find? In exercise 1.1 we have done the problems to check whether it forms an AP or not. I'll write here difference should be same. If the difference is constant then it forms an AP. Okay, first difference we will find. A is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. First difference D is equals to 4 we got. Next difference, let us see. A3 minus A2. A3 is third term. 15 minus A2 is 11. Again 15 minus 11 is 4. So here we can write, here the difference is, common difference is constant, therefore it forms an AP. It forms an AP. Okay. Now find its 15 terms they have told. Okay, this is an AP. You can see my finger, 7, 11, 15 is an AP. First term is 7. A is 7. D is equals to, we have found 4. Find 15 terms. Yes, 15 they have told us to find. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. S15 is equals to 15 by 2, 2a value is 7 plus 7 minus 1 d is 4. Okay, 15 by 2 will keep as it is. 7 2s are 14 plus 7 minus 1, 6 into 4. 15 by 2 will keep as it is. 14 plus 6 4s are 24. Okay, then 15 by 2 as it is into 24 plus 14, 8 and 38. It gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. What we have to do is 15 into 19 we have to multiply. That is 15 into 19. See, I have done a small mistake here. A is equals to 7, but we have to do 15. Yes, 15. 15 they have told, and I have taken here 7. So here it should be 15, right? 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 is nothing, but I have taken 7 minus 1, 6 it is. 15 minus 1 is 14. Here should be 14. Okay. 14 4s it should come. 14 4s what? Let us see. 14 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 5. 56 it should be here. 14 plus 56. 56 plus 14. 4 6 plus 4 10. 5 6 7 70 here it is now. This side we can see it is 70. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 19 into 35. 19 into 35. Okay. You can see here just it was a small mistake. So if it is a small mistake, you cannot get your answer. Small mistake makes your answer wrong. So we should be very careful. Here 7 minus 1 I have taken, actually 15 minus 1 it should be. So we got 15 into 35 is nothing but 525. This is your sum of 15 terms answer. Now what you have to do? Similarly, same process you have to do for second question. An is equals to 9 minus 5n. Same process. Okay. Now question number 11. Let us see question number 11. If the sum of first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square, sum of first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square. Okay. What is the first term? I'll just go on reading question and I'll go on finding it. Okay, what is the first term? First term is A, that is S1 is equals to 4 into n place I'm writing 1 minus 1 square. So what we got? 4 1s are 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So first term is A, that is S1 is 3. We got first term. Find what is the first term they told. We got 3. What they have asked now, what is first term we found. What is the sum of first two term? Sum of first two term they told. So let us go for S2. S2 is sum of first two term. S2 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Sum of first two term we got. Now they told us to find second term. Second term, again they have told find what is second term. Second term, A2 is the second term. S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. S2 is 4 minus S1 is 3 and the second term is 1. What we got? Second term 1. Okay. Now we know that difference is D is equals to A2 minus A1. D is equals to A2 minus A1. D. A2 is 1 minus A1 is 3. So D what we got? Minus 2. D we got minus 2. What they have told us to find now? Similarly find third term, 11th term and nth term. How much they have told? Similarly find third term, 10th term, third term, 10th term and nth term. These three they have told again to find. Okay, let us find one by one. A3. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A value, first term is A. A is equals to 3. 3 plus 2 into D, just now we have wrote minus 2. 3 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. And A third term is nothing but minus 1. Okay. Third term is minus 1. They have told to find third term. Okay. What they have told again? 10th term. A10 is equals to A plus 9D. A10. A is 3 plus 9 into minus 2. 3 plus minus minus 9 2s are 18. Minus 15. What we got? 10th term. 10th term is minus 15 we got. Okay. Now what they have told us to find? Nth term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1D. A is 3 plus n we don't know. D is minus 2. Okay. How will multiply? 3 plus minus minus 2 into n, 2n. Minus minus plus 2 ones are 2. Okay. An is equals to 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 2n is a nth term answer. So this complete the question number 11. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2n as it is. This completes the question number 11. Let us see now question number 12. It's very easy. Question number 12 is find the sum of first 40 term. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Okay. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. We know which numbers are divisible by 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. These are the numbers divisible by 6. Sum of 40, first 40 terms they have told. Sum of first 40 we need to find. A is equals to 6. D is equals to 12 minus 6. That is second term minus first term. 6 we got. Now, yes, 40 they told us to find. Sn formula you know. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. S40 is equals to 40 by 2, 2a plus 40 minus 1 d is 6. Okay, let us see. 2 ones are 20. We got 20. 6 2s are 12 plus 40 minus 1, 39 into 6. Now, let me see 39 into 6 is what? 39 into 6 is 20, will keep as it is. 39 into 6 we have to multiply, that is let us multiply and see otherwise. 39 into 6, so that you should not get confused. 6 9 6 are 54, 5 here, 6 3 are 18, 19 20 21 22 23, 234. 234 plus 12 is 234 plus 12, 6 4 2, 246. Okay, let me write here 12 plus 39 into 6 is 234. Okay, 20 as it is. 12 plus 234 we did here 246. It is 246 into 20 is nothing but 246 into 20 is 4920. Okay, you can multiply and check. 4920 is the answer for sum of first 40 terms. 4920. Similarly, girls, you have to find out. Similarly, 13th one problem you have to do yourself. It's really very easy. Same exactly, because the question is find the sum of first 15 terms, which is multiple of 8. Similarly, you have to do this. Okay, let us go for 14th one problem. Question number 14. Let me do question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Find the sum of odd number between 0 and 50. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay, let us find the odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 odd numbers. 1 is an odd number. 3, 5, 7 dots between 0 and 50 is 49. Okay, total how many numbers it have we don't know. They have told to find the sum of all numbers between 0 and 50. First we should know how many numbers are there between 0 and 50, odd numbers. Okay, let us find first how many numbers. A is equals to 1, D is equals to second term minus first term, D is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and this is nothing but an. An is also called last term, is 49. Let us find formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. An value is 49 is equals to a is 1 plus n we don't know minus d is 40, d is 2. D value is 2. 49 minus 1 is equals to 2 into n, 2n, minus 2 ones are 2. This 2 should be multiplied with this bracket. Okay. 49 minus 1 is 48. If I bring minus 2 this side, it becomes plus 2 is equals to 2n. 50 is equals to 2n. N is equals to 50 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 25. So n we got 25. If we got n 25, we understood that total numbers are 25. So sum of 25 terms we need to find. Now Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d formula. Okay. Yes, 25 is equals to 25 by 2, 2a, 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1, d is 2. Okay. 25 by 2, let it be as it is. 2 ones are 2 plus 24 into 2. We need to multiply first. 24 2s are how much? 48. We know that. 2 plus 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. 25 by 2 into 48 plus 2 is 50. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 25. 25 into 25 is 625. So sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. So now next problem we are going to do is question number 15. So from question number 15 I'll continue in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for my further videos and do like and share. Thank you.